How to fix Prisma 3D stop working issue. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you fix the issue like Prisma 3D stop working. So let's get started. At first, you'll have to confirm that you have the updated version of Prisma 3D app. Simply you can check it from the App Store or Play Store. From here you can manually confirm it. After you confirm and still having problem, you'll have to just clear the cache of Prisma app. For that, open settings. From settings section, for the iPhone tap on general. From general tap on iPhone storage. And from the iPhone storage, find out the application Prisma 3D. After you find it, tap on that. From the section, tap on upload app. Alright, tap on upload. After you uploaded the Prisma 3D app, tap on reinstall app again. After you reinstall or clear the cache of Prisma 3D, you'll be able to fix that problem. If you are still facing that problem, you'll have to just uninstall or delete the entire application from your device. For that, simply tap and hold that application. And from here, tap on remove app. Alright, from here, tap on delete app. After you delete or uninstall the application, again you'll have to install that application from the App Store. After you install that, you'll be able to fix that problem. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.